Ness-ana TV.
Hello friends, welcome back to the class. Alright, today we'll be learning the zoo. Zoo. Have you been to a zoo before? I can hear you. I have. I've been to a zoo. Zoo. Can you see that? Ooh. A zoo is a place where animals are kept. Can you see the zoo? Can you see the animals? Now let's talk about the animals found in a zoo. The animals we can find in a zoo. Ooh, this is a lion. Lion. Elephant. Elephant. We can find an elephant in a zoo. Zebra. 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 Tiger. Tiger. A tiger can be found in a zoo. Monkey. Monkey. Gorilla. Gorilla. Can you see that? Giraffe. Giraffe. We can find a giraffe in a zoo. Very good, boys and girls. You've done a great job. Let's take it again. Remember, we're learning about the zoo. Zoo. And these are the different animals we can find in a zoo. Now let's pick each of them and discuss. I'll call their names. Lion. Lion. Elephant. Elephant. Zebra. Zebra. Tiger. Tiger. Monkey. Monkey. Gorilla. Gorilla. Giraffe. Giraffe. Very good, boys and girls. That will be the end of today's class. See you next time. Love you.